Hey everyone, my name is Kunal Verma and I am a DevOps and open source advocate. That means I really love helping people out in terms of getting started into open source. I'm also a community manager slash an ambassador for the Cube Simplify community, and there also we aim to basically help people get started in the cloud native ecosystem. Now, in terms of like managing your time and how to be more productive, I can share like three tips from my experiences. The number one is basically you have to prioritize on your goals, right? So you have to basically sit down, relax, write down your goals for that particular year, and then you can maybe divide it according to the months or even weeks. Now if you're just getting started into the ecosystem, you don't really have to stress on what I am going to choose or what I am trying to achieve here. Just sit back, relax, and try to explore each and every field as you wish. Take your time. Whenever you feel comfortable with at least one field, sit down and write your goals. What are your goals that you want to achieve, right? The number one is setting your goals, right? And the next two things are related to each other, that is using a calendar and using a to-do list. So these are some practical tips that I've used myself in college and as well as at home. So a calendar, there is a very famous quote by someone. It says that if it's not on the calendar, it's not real. That means that you have to track everything that you are doing, from your daily activities to your basically prioritized goals for that particular week or your task for that particular day in terms of a calendar, and use a to-do list to track all these particular tasks as well. Now, something that a calendar also helps with is time blocking. So you block a certain time block for a particular task that you want to do, and there's another saying that if you extend a particular task, it goes on extending. For example, if one thing can be done in like an hour, if you keep extending it to like 1 day or 2 days, the task keeps extending, even if you have the capability of completing it within a single hour, right? So that is something that calendar and a to-do list can help you. I think these are a few necessary tips that you can follow, and these are some practical advice that I have followed in terms of managing my time. So I hope this was useful.